Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Our the Vice Chancellor, Meritorious Professor, Professor Dr. Mohammad Siddiq Kaloro Sahab, Madam Tanzila Umi Habiba, Advisor to CM, Government of Sindh, Madam Professor Dr. Nusrat Shah, Vice Chancellor, Benazir Bhutto, Medical College, Larkana, Medical University, Larkana, Mohtarama Sadaf Abid from Lahore, and our respected deans, faculty members, distinguished guests, Assalamu alaikum. I'm pleased to welcome you in the first international conference on women entrepreneurship, opportunities and challenges, being organized by the Technology Incubation Center, Faculty of Engineering and Technology, University of Sindh. I'm not going to take your much time. In this conference, we have 2 days, 15 and 16, and we have 5 different segments. We have paper presentations, we have keynote speakers, we have panel discussion, we have the showcase of the startups, and we have the one workshop as well. How to start your business. This is being organized with the collaboration of National Incubation Center, Hyderabad. Once again, I'm very thankful to all of you sparing the time. Especially, I'm grateful to Madam Nusrat Shah. Early morning, 6 o'clock, she traveled from Larkana. Madam Tanzila, she traveled from Tando Mamad Khan. Madam Sadaf Abid, she traveled from initially Lahore yesterday and today morning from Karachi. Thank you all thank you very much. Inshallah, you will enjoy your stay here, and very thoughtful opinions will come up for strengthening the women and for strengthening the workplace environment where women can work safely. Thank you very much.